thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe, and here I'm with Bryce. So today we're gonna be taking our beautiful, humble, blast from the past vehicles to exotics at the point. This is gonna be in Dania Beach, which is about an hour drive or so. What have you done to it so far?
So I just cut the resonators behind the muffler. So I should make, like, it made it a little bit louder.
Okay.
And more raspy.
Well, the Camaro's still straight piped,
Yeah,
still ridiculous.
I'm not gonna hit my car, I'm just gonna hit you.
Now we're gonna meet up with some of our boys now. They also have some pretty nice whips, and we're just gonna rally to there. I've actually don't really know what to expect.
Bro, it's like the biggest car show in Florida.
Even though I've had this exhaust for nearly 2 years now, I'll never get over how loud it is. It's ridiculous. Bruh! Oh my god, dude! Man, they are cracking down on everybody. To be fair, it is a very beautiful day to be out on the bikes. Wait, he caught me off gear. I was just so enamored by the new exhaust note that he has. Nah, you got the head start, bro. All right, guys, so here's a 718 GT4.
Over axle pipes.
Is that a turbo? Shh. Oh my god. Oh man. I can't wait for it to fly by. This is quite possibly the best spec I have ever seen on a GT4. I would do it the same way. I think if I had to choose, it'd be between red and blue. Something else that I obviously would spec out if I had the 718 GT4 would be the bucket seats as well. I mean, it's so simple, but yet so beautiful. I've always said that I prefer the Cayman over the 911. They detune the hell out of these cars because they don't want to compete with the 911, but I mean, I would love to review both of them at the same time to really figure that out. Oh shit, and here's he's with his 6th gen SS 1LE. If you guys haven't already seen, I just reviewed the 2SS without the 1LE package, and that was an incredible car, an incredible review. What's up, man? Not sure if he's part of the rally, but check out this brand new C8. Got a good amount of color going on too, red, orange, blue. My God. All right, guys, we just made it to Dania Point. You can see just how many people are here.
I like the POV.
I like you. So right now, if you had the opportunity to invent time travel to go back in time to get your M4, would you do it?
No.
Guys, look how good this lineup looks. All right, let's go see some cars. Here's the first beautiful, stunning car of the day, a Pagani Huayra.
Look at the front tire.
Dude, comido. Look at this. Every inch of it is carbon. The Widowmaker. Look how short the shifter is.
Short shift, for real.
Yeah, that's practically
This
not.
shift is about this high.
It's hilarious how similar the Miata is in terms of exterior design to this. I mean, the look of it. The joke is, the running joke is that. Then we have the, I think this is an 8 something liter V10. It's enormous. I mean, for the time, that's just an incredible engine to have. Black on black Ferrari Enzo. Black is such an unusual color to have a Ferrari in, but it's still, I think, with good appetite. I think it's a great combination if you have yes, it does have red interior. Personally, I would probably do a little bit more contrast with the wheels, but man, this is just gorgeous. Is that a TDF? Here we have the A12 Competición. And here we have a TDF. Check out the Monzas here. This is the SP2, which is the one that is, I think, the most raw version. Has no windshield, single driver. And then you have the SP3, which is like the more tamed version of this. And obviously, power of these is going to be a V12 engine, the most raw Ferrari V12 experience, I think. And here we have the iconic Carrera GT manual V10. I'm not a fan of black on black for Ferraris. Like, the black color is fine with the red interior. Oh my god, that is... Blue, I think, is a perfect color. Love the wheels, the alloy and blue color combo. I mean, that is a classic. Cannot go wrong with that. The Ecom side hustle spec right here. Look at this 458 wide body. The duckbill spoiler here. The iconic 3-tip exhaust. Scrumptious. Yeah, and purple just suits it so nicely. 488, the successor to the 458. All right, guys, so now we're making our way towards the Porsche section. Orange GT3 RS. This is the 991, I think. Bro, I love bronze, man. I think, should I do bronze wheels on the Camaro? I'm really considering doing it. The blue GT3, man, that looks so nice. I love the rims. This right here is beautiful. I'm not sure about the white. Again, bronze is probably where I would have gone, but purple, man, it's such a slept-on color. All right, so now as we're getting closer to the exotic section, we get to see cars like the McLaren Senna, of course the P1. Oh my god, I mean, I think this is my favorite McLaren for sure. Oh my god, the dream right here, the Aventador SV. I'm gonna speak this into existence, guys. I'm gonna buy an Aventador SV one day. I don't know if it's a 2017, 16, 18. I need to have one of these. After having a taste of the Aventador, so the first time that I drove it, it was surreal. The second time I really got to enjoy it and be less enamored by it and just really focus in on what really makes the Aventador special. The SV is the most raw version of the Aventador, so it's totally stripped out. It's a lot less forgiving on routine drives. In theory, that's the best track version of the Aventador of that year. Of course, now you have the SVJ and all the modern and cool stuff, but I have a really soft spot for the SV. This AMG GT right here, not sure if it's a black series, is it? This is the same guy that let me review his Aventador S. Huge shout out to my boy George at Safe Haven Global Corp. Thank you so much, bro.
That's insane.
That is beautiful. I mean, the MC20 is very attractive, very appealing, but that color is just, the camera's picking it up very nicely. I gotta show you guys one of the most unique Ferrari 458s I've seen to this day. It's a beautiful sage green type of color. I haven't really seen too many cars with color like this. Would you rather have this beautiful, the way it is, the exact same way it is, or a Taycan, your Taycan?
I don't know, like you really
Shut
like...
up.
Nah,
You're
nah.
entertaining it right now.
No, like, I think I'm gonna get my Taycan, but no, this is too much.
Yo,
Like-
he's telling me right now, he's trying to justify that he'd rather have his Taycan Turbo S, which is not bad, it's a great one, over this. Would you do the same?
Like, not thinking value-wise or anything, just would you drive this?
All right, so let's see if I can get a shot in here. Hey, a little bit of a General Motors Chevy Corvette action, LS3 action. There we go. I feel a little bit at home now, you know? I've been so alienated with the amount of cars that are here that are just way above the price range. Check out this wrap right here. It's like a highlighter orange. These are all built for racing and just racing. And then we have the new GT4 RS. There you go. There you go, sir. So the GT4 RS that we just saw, right? That's selling for around 250,000. It's about $100 and something thousand in markups. This car right here, the C7 ZR1, is selling for $250,000 as well. That's the average price. Obviously depends on the mileage. So the question is, would you guys rather have a GT4 RS or a C7 ZR1? I've driven a C7 Z06 with some modifications, which probably makes around the same amount of power and had the same front and everything, which is Rice's old yellow C7. So what would you say? This is a good turnout?
Yeah.
I agree. This was a great first time. I mean,
the Ferrari, the SP3, that was, I've never seen that before, so that was kind of
that's
cool.
the one that was the roofed version,
Yeah,
right? Yeah, that was crazy. I mean, that's a brand new, insanely rare. I mean, the Monza for me is already like something I'll probably never see unless it's at a car
We've
show.
seen them before, no?
Not on the roads.
No, on the road.
Not on the road. Always at a meet or pictures. All right, guys, so we're gonna start heading back home. I really don't want to disrupt the lineup right here. Oh, guys, check out the E63 AMG. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the SLS AMG. That right there is gorgeous. Look at the two Cullinans over there. Oh man, look at this. I feel like I'm in Dubai. How you doing? The working brake system is nice too.
It works.
No, it doesn't. Let's try it. Come on, you know you want to do it. Very raspy. Hey.
Hi.
So did you hear me coming?
Yes. I heard you before I even saw you.
Bro, what happened, sir?
Like shredding up.
What?
Like almost falling.
Like
it just like at idle and it just goes and then revives.
Okay, no, that's scary. POV, it's 2009, and you have the IT cars, the brand new Camaro SS and the E92 M3. Hopefully nobody steals my intake. I mean, this is a fine establishment, right? Target. I say Target, by the way. So, ah, yes, this fine American establishment. Check it out.
No, part of the boys.
This is a CEO burger. I added a piece of egg, and it's a recommendation that I got from somebody here, the employee here. Didn't he say like, oh, I recommend you do egg with it? But it was closing time. He's like, but not now. I'm sorry, what?
Dairy, eggs,
like that?
soy.
Bro, this is the nice side of the hood. This is not the 176. It's the 176 that's the problem. Now would be a good time to go ahead and conclude this video. I hope you guys found this video informative and entertaining. I certainly had a lot of fun driving to there and on the way back. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps out tremendously with the algorithm. What did you guys think of the car meet? What was your favorite car from today? And last but not least, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you on the next one.